first two. So, we are at rehearsal right now. We just finished setting up. Dave just finished warming up. I ain't really do shit. And then we're about to just go through a set that we just recently did. Practice makes perfect, so we're just here trying to get it done.
I don't think they heard me. Spin that back one time.
Let's go. But when they ain't on these haters, let them know they don't come in for the motherfucking crown. They don't ever step up because they know what's going down. Gotta get a leg up. DJ Switch, I don't think they fucking heard me. Let's go. But when they ain't on these haters, let them know they don't come in for the motherfucking crown. They don't ever step up because they know what's going down. Gotta get a leg up.
But I feel good about that loop back. Yeah.
That's all I needed. I needed you to feel comfortable with that.
Yeah. I think we're gonna need to do it maybe a couple more times, but like we'll get it.
Come on. Victory, man. Scared to win, scared of the failure, scared of the hate, scared of the fact that I was never supposed to be great. Interfering with what is clearly fake. But if real recognize real, then you know all of this is clearly fake. Swear the will to win is in us. Just keeping it 100, word to the 99%ers. Every champion wasn't always a winner. All professionals started out as beginners. I'm just saying, that feeling
It all started with Victory. You know, this idea of a reintroduction. Victory really brought me back, you know, and I really see that as a baseline for this record. You know, a lot of people identify me with this record, and a lot of this new music really came from that. So I just know after this, after April, and after we give them hope and hunger, man, it's never gonna be the same.
I can feel it in my heart, you can see it's in my veins.